Okay, I've turned the bike back around, and this is just to confirm for you that all the drag you may feel when rolling the bike around is in the front wheel where the dual discs are tight on the discs. That might be fixable. You may just need to get some miles on it to wear in those brand new pads. Don't know, but I think that I'll leave that up to you. Now back here in the rear wheel, I've got it up in the air, and if I spin it, it spins. See, the front wheel really should do that. Okay? Now you've got good brake. I can't hold the camera and spin the wheel, but you've got good foot brake. And you've got good front brake. I'll show you up here. Nice and solid. So I think you've got good braking action on both front and rear wheels, but it's going to take a road test, ride test to confirm it, and I'll let you do that. Okay, the next thing you need to address before riding it is this leaky petcock over here. This guy's leaking. It's leaking from the shaft. It's not leaking from the fitting up here. It's not leaking from the fitting here. It's leaking from the shaft itself, and you can see how wet my finger is back here. Okay, so this petcock is leaking, and that's a bad thing. You don't want to go riding a bike with a leaking petcock. So I'll leave that up to you to fix. You said you had a different tank for the bike. Possibly the new tank will have new petcocks, or you can take that petcock apart. You can take the petcock apart by releasing the spring mechanism on the inside back here, and maybe fix the inside of that petcock. At this point in time, I'm going to call the bike done and let you come get it.